Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use eye tracking on your iPhone with iOS 18. To enable eye tracking, go to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down and select eye tracking. Toggle the feature on. Once it's on, you'll be guided through a setup process where you'll follow moving dots with your eyes. This helps the system calibrate. Once calibrated, you'll see a small dot on the screen that moves as your eyes move. This dot shows exactly where you're looking, and you can use it to navigate your iPhone. To scroll or change pages, simply look at the edge of the screen. Keep in mind that eye tracking works best in good lighting. In low light, or if your phone isn't positioned well, it might not be as smooth or responsive. Also, it may not work perfectly every time, so it can take a bit of practice to get used to. To open an app, look at it for a few seconds. If you find eye tracking challenging, you can always use Assistive Touch as an alternative for easier control of your iPhone. To disable eye tracking, go back to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Look at the toggle, hold your gaze for a few seconds, then look away. This helps you confirm the action. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment.